Why did God give us freedom? Why did God give us freedom? Why did God give us freedom? God's reason for freedom. Many believe it's because He values love, responsibility, and relationship. And here's why. Think about it. If God made us without the ability to choose, then our love wouldn't be real. We couldn't love God or others if we didn't have the freedom to choose to do so. And if there's no real love, then there's no real relationship. And if there's no relationship, then there's no God. Because a God who isn't loved and who doesn't love in return is not a God at all. But God knew from the beginning that allowing us to choose freedom would also allow for evil. But He made the world in such a way that even though we can choose evil, we can also choose good. And real good, by the way, can only exist in a place where there's free will. That's why God gave us freedom. So even though we can mess up, we can also get it right. And when we choose good, we're choosing what God wants for us. So freedom makes love possible. Freedom matters, and so does staying connected. Subscribe today and follow the series as we unpack more big questions.